Hey guys, so today we are going kayaking. We are not sure how Chunk's going to react, so we are so excited, but let's see how this goes.
Now that I know that it's seaweed and not something back to me.
Here's Tata. Let's go, Chunk Chunk. Here we go. He's so good. This is scary. I'm scared.
It's gonna be wobbly, but stop doing that.
Okay, I'm sorry.
When you freak out, that's what flips.
I'm so nervous right now.
Alliah.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm trying not to wobble. I don't like this.
Stays wobbly with more people.
Oh, I'm nervous. I don't know how these waves are gonna do, babe. We in this thing now?
I feel so bad for Tyler because we're gonna flip.
Chunk's literally about to go to bed again, y'all.
Don't say that.
I'm just saying.
Tyler, I'm telling you right.
When we were in it.
Nuh-uh.
That takes so many times.
This one?
Yeah, on purpose.
Okay.
You can flip anything you want.
There's Ian and Dakota Grace, which is Derek baby. Ryder's about to go to bed. We're having fun though. It's pretty.
Alright, Tyler.
Okay.
What's up?
We are actually trying to kayak all the way out there into that sandbar. I'm not sure if y'all can see it, but that's where we're headed.
Really choppy, man.
Yeah, it's really choppy. I cannot believe I'm doing this. I cannot believe I was talked into doing this.
Do what? That's what I'm saying. It's really choppy.
I don't know if we'll make it either.
So guys, we're just gonna go.
Yeah, let's go back. Yeah, let's go back.
We're not gonna do the whole.
We take the sandbar back. It's so choppy out here. Like, y'all can't really tell probably, but it's really choppy.
Yeah, it is. This is really choppy.
Yeah, this is ridiculous and scary. Cause I'm here to. It is sketchy. I'm here to tell you right. Jesus, I pray right now that we make it back without this thing tipping over. Hey Tyler, can we head on back?
Stop moving.
I'm not moving, babe. I'm trying not to move.
Yeah, we're going to turn around.
Okay. Look at that sweet thing. Now this isn't bad right here. Like I like it. Yeah, it is. There was like 10 boats passing us. Oh yeah. Well, I don't even see Ian now. Is he out there?
He's way over at that
I bet Dakota Grace is asleep. What do y'all think? Yeah. Well, Chunk is out, y'all. My sweet baby.
We made it back. It was rough, but we made it through.
Tyler did all the paddling. I held the baby, and Gabby sat back there and chilled.
I did nothing.
Yes, Tyler, he is like out cold. He's been out cold since we started going for real. He is out.
I knew he would. He looked so tired.
I know, he was tired. Anyways, he's really tired because this one right here.
That one.
Oh, because he woke up at like 8 this morning, and I put him in the bed with me and Tyler. Okay, I put him in the bed with me and Tyler, and he played, like rolled around for a little bit. He wasn't like awake, but he wasn't like asleep, so he's been up for a minute, and it's currently like 1:30, right? About 1:30.
It's kind of late, man.
Yeah, so he's definitely ready for a nap now. Look at this sweet baby. Oh my goodness. Hey, my sweet baby. y'all so much for watching our kayak vlog. We had fun, but
It's too rough.
we almost slipped probably 3 times, and we almost got hit by a boat, as y'all could see. But we had fun, and Chunk was out the first minute we got out there, but we had fun. Not really. I had a heart attack about 5 times, but we'll be all right.
Bye, guys.